Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast where we learn English in a fun and simple way. Today's topic is about talking about your day in English but with a special twist. We are going to look at the day from a mother's perspective. Yes, the busy, sometimes funny, sometimes stressful, but always full of love life of a mom. And we will learn some useful vocabulary and expressions for daily household chores. So let's imagine the day of a mom together. A mom's day usually starts early. For example, I wake up at 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is make the bed. Then I head to the kitchen to prepare breakfast for the family. I usually make toast, eggs, and tea. Sometimes I feel like a superwoman in the morning doing three things at the same time. Some useful words are make the bed, prepare breakfast, wash the dishes, get the kids ready for school. We have a lovely expression here which is rise and shine. For example, I wake up my kids and say, rise and shine, it's time for school. After breakfast, the house is usually a little messy. As an example, once everyone leaves, I start cleaning up. I wash the dishes, sweep the floor, and sometimes vacuum the carpets. I also do the laundry. Honestly, laundry feels never ending. As soon as I finish one load, there's another waiting for me. Some useful words are do the laundry, hang the clothes, iron the clothes, sweep the floor, vacuum the carpet. And we have another lovely expression which is a clean house is a happy house. For example, I like to keep everything tidy because, a clean house is a happy house. Food is always a big part of a mother's day. For example, in the afternoon I prepare lunch. Sometimes I cook rice and chicken, other times pasta or soup. After lunch I clean the kitchen again. Later I often go shopping for groceries. I make shopping lists, but somehow I always buy more than I planned. Some useful words here are go grocery shopping, cook lunch or dinner, wash the vegetables, set the table. And we have another expression which is too many cooks spoil the broth. When my kids try to help me in the kitchen, I remember the saying too many cooks spoil the broth. The day continues with more chores and family time. For example, in the afternoon, I sometimes help my kids with their homeworks. Then I water the plants and fold the laundry. In the evening, I prepare dinner. After dinner, I clean up the dishes again. Honestly, the sink never stays empty for long. Some useful words here are fold the laundry, water the plants, take out the trash, wash the dishes, put things away. We have another expression which is home sweet home. Even though it's a lot of work at the end of the day, I feel grateful. Home sweet home. It's important to not only say what you do, but also how you feel. For example, sometimes I feel tired, but I also feel proud when I see my family happy. Doing chores can be boring, but I try to make it fun. I listen to music while I cook or sing. That makes the chores easier. We have another expression which is it's a tough job, but someone has to do it. Here are some questions you can ask or answer about daily chores. Do you usually cook at home or eat out? Which chores do you enjoy the most? Which chores do you hate? Do you listen to music while you clean? That's it. So, today we talked about a Mother's Day full of household chores. We practiced vocabulary like do the laundry, sweep the floor, cook dinner, and we also learned some fun expressions like rise and shine, home sweet home, and a clean house is a happy house. Remember, you can practice by talking about your own daily routine and your household chores in English. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning podcasts. And remember, learning English doesn't have to be a chore, it can be fun. See you in the next episode.